Having an internet connection makes nearly everything accessible, regardless of location or device. So, if you're looking for ways to make easy money online in a relatively short period of time, consider our top picks. 1. Make money blogging. Blogging is an excellent way for avid writers to earn a source of income. Many people start a blog to share insights, express views, and establish brands. Some popular blog examples include Say Yes and Anywhere We Roam. Start a blog about anything, like travel blogs, food blogs, or book blogs. Researching some of the most popular blog ideas can also help you find a profitable niche. 2. Join an affiliate program. Joining an affiliate marketing program is another great way to make money online. Earn a commission as an affiliate by promoting products, services, or businesses on multiple platforms. When a customer clicks on an affiliate link and completes a purchase, you'll get a percentage of the profit. 3. Build an e-commerce website. Selling products online is one of the best ways to make money. More and more brick-and-mortar stores are turning to e-commerce due to its advantages. Apart from having a broader market reach, e-commerce stores require lower startup costs, letting you save money on operational expenses. For example, you don't need to rent different retail locations to scale operations. 4. Open a dropshipping store. Dropshipping is a B2C business model where people sell products via an online store with a third-party supplier processing and fulfilling the order. It's an easier alternative to running a standard e-commerce store since opening a dropshipping store doesn't involve the hassle of dealing with inventory and shipping. 5. Create an online course. Projected to reach $336.98 billion by 2026. The global e-learning market is an excellent industry to enter if you excel in a particular subject and enjoy curating learning material. Digital courses come in different formats, from simple PDF downloads to YouTube videos. Some popular online course topics include computer skills, health and wellness, business and entrepreneurship, finance and investing, and personal development. There are 2 primary ways to sell digital courses: joining an e-learning platform or creating an e-learning website. The former is easier to do, but the latter provides more opportunities to experiment with different course formats and monetization methods. Create an e-learning website with a WordPress LMS plugin, for example. Then, sell online courses as digital products or create a membership system to lock them behind a paywall. 6. Tutor students online. If selling digital courses isn't your thing, but you're still interested in teaching, consider becoming an online tutor. Many students today actively look for remote lessons. Independent tutors often offer their services via video communication apps like Zoom and Skype and accept payments via PayPal. Earn money by giving on-demand lessons and providing personalized feedback. Note that being an online tutor means you will not only have to create lesson plans and learning modules but also keep track of the student's progress. Make sure to evaluate your expertise when choosing a topic to teach. Popular tutoring subjects include math, languages, and computer science. Also, consider obtaining certification to enhance your credibility as a tutor and improve your rate. Before giving live lessons, make sure to set up a strong internet connection to ensure smooth video communication. When you're ready, create a website or join an online tutoring platform to start promoting your services. Here are 4 popular platforms for online tutoring. Schooly. Schedule lessons in advance or accept them whenever you're online. TutorMe. Connect students with tutors based on their needs and preferences. 7. Create a membership site. Creating a membership website is another great way to earn money from home if you want to run your own platform. Membership sites make money by selling access to exclusive content through subscription plans. By having a tiered membership system, you divide each member's privileges and determine which content they can access. The subscription system makes for a steady stream of revenue as members have to renew their plans to maintain access privileges. If you're building a brand, a membership site can also help foster a potential customer base for upselling. The homepage of Mark Manson's website. When creating your own website, try finding some inspiration from various niche membership websites. For example, Mark Manson and Magnetic Memory Method focus on self-improvement. Meanwhile, Smart Blogger offers tips on blogging and content writing. After finding a niche that suits your interests, start developing the membership website. The easiest way to do this is with WordPress. Many excellent membership plugins offer the tools necessary to create plans and accept transactions online. 8. Sell advertising space. Selling digital advertising space is one of the most common ways to monetize a website and earn passive income. The advertising revenue is measured based on clicks or user impressions. More clicks means more money. Important factors advertisers look for include a website's content category, audience demographics, and user devices. So, Dedicating time to create quality content and improve SEO strategies is vital. To start selling ad space, sign up with an ad network like Google AdSense and simply embed the ad code in the site. If you run a WordPress website, follow our tutorial on how to add AdSense to WordPress. Remember not to oversaturate the site when choosing ad placements, since this can negatively affect user experience. Instead, we recommend using a heat map software tool to determine the best ad placement location for optimal conversions. Google AdSense homepage. Here are some other advertising networks you can sign up on. AdCache. Use an anti-block feature to bypass users' ad blockers and obtain higher earnings. Propeller Ads. Supports multiple ad formats, including interstitial and push notifications. 9. Create a subscription job board. With more and more employers turning to online hiring, job boards have great market potential. There are two main ways to make money online when creating a job board website. The first is to rent out space for employers to advertise their job listings. The second is to sell access to exclusive job listings to job seekers via a paid membership system. For example, popular job board websites like Indeed, Glassdoor, and ZipRecruiter charge employers for premium job post placements. Most of these sites base their pricing plans on factors such as posting period, in-depth company information, or reviews. Glassdoor website homepage. The easiest way to create this type of website is with a WordPress job board plugin. For example, WP Job Manager offers tools to submit and manage job listings code-free. If you want to restrict access to job postings, consider installing a membership plugin. 10. Buy and flip websites. The process of buying and selling websites is relatively simple. After purchasing a site, optimize its content for search engines, generate revenue, and sell it for a profit. It's an ideal money-making project for anyone who enjoys website design, improving SEO, and curating a great user experience. Knowing which websites to buy and invest time in is essential, since not all of them have future value. A good rule of thumb is to opt for ones already generating revenue and traffic. Similarly, websites with a popular niche and a premium domain name are easier to sell at higher prices. To avoid making a bad investment, there are a few factors to consider before purchasing a website. The first criteria to determining a website's worth: to ask for proof of concept and revenue and inquire about the site's current monetization methods. Then, check the volume and source of its traffic. This is a good indicator of a website's potential. It's also a good idea to ask about existing site issues and verify why the original website owner is selling it in the first place. Also, make sure to double-check the seller's background and avoid buying sites from anonymous brokers.